The materials you'll be needing are a reusable folder, a glue stick or hot glue, colored foam paper of your choice, pen or a pencil, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. Make a box that is how big you want your book to be. So my measurements were 3.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. Cut it out. So I made about 6 more so that there are 7 rectangles in total. So here I'm just stacking and gluing them to make the pages for our book. Now cover your book with the foam. You can either glue it or stick it on. And you're done. See, that wasn't so hard. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day or night.